Hello everybody, thanks for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the best homemade slime using just 3 ingredients: toothpaste, water, and salt. So are you ready to make some slime? Let's go for it. Okay there, so I am going to make slime and I've got my ingredients here. The most important ingredient is toothpaste. I'm using Crest. Doesn't really matter which toothpaste you use. So that's ingredient number 1. Ingredient number 2 is salt, which I have in this. Ingredient number 3 is water. You don't need too much water. So that's the reason why I've just got it in this little tray. And of course, this is my for cup that I'm gonna add the toothpaste into. And last but not least, I just need a stirrer. I'm using a spoon, so my spoon is my stirrer. Okay, so let's get started. Let's add toothpaste, and I'm gonna show you how much toothpaste I'm gonna add to this. Let's see, I'm gonna spray the toothpaste. Depends how much slime I want to make. So I think I'm gonna add toothpaste to that amount. Yeah, I think that should be good. Right, so that's done. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of water, and I'm going to show you how much water I'm going to add. Not too much. Just going to add a little bit. Okay, that's it. That should be good. Okay, so as you can see, I just add a little bit of water to it. That's the water, as you can see here. Yeah. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start stirring this toothpaste, which has water in it. I would suggest you just use maybe 1 teaspoon of water for now. Okay, so let's start stirring it here. Okay, I'm going to start stirring it so you can see it. What it looks like now is, it just looks like this. It's a bit on the foamy side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some salt now. Let's try with a pinch of salt. 1. I'm going to use pinch number 2. And I think I'm going to use another pinch. So pinch number 3. So 3 pinches of salt. Let's go into it. Okay. Now let's start stirring again. I don't need the salt anymore. I'm going to keep it aside. This is what it looks like so far. I think it's a little diluted with the water, so I'm going to add some more toothpaste to it to make it thicker. You just have to, look at it and see whether it's thick or it's not that thick, and accordingly keep adding. There's no set method as such as to how much you need to use. It all depends how much slime you want to make, and and what texture you want for it as well. Just got to get the right texture. So this is what it looks like so far. As you can see, it just has a bit of runniness to it. Right? It's got a bit of runniness to it. Yeah, it's not very thick. Let me just try adding a little bit more toothpaste to it. And I think that should be good. Now it's going to be perfect. Because I've added a little more toothpaste to this. Make sure. And every time you add toothpaste to it, add a pinch of salt, okay? So this is what it looks like. Let me show you the texture one last time if I put it in the fridge. That's what it looks like. Okay, it's got a bit of runniness to it, but I think it's good. I've got quite a lot now, so that's nice. And I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna put it in the freezer for about an hour. I'm just sealing it. Okay, so yeah, that's what it looks like now. Let's put it in the freezer and let's come back and see how our slime turned out. And here we are with the slime which was in the freezer, and this is what it looks like at the moment. So it's kind of solidified. just like I wanted it to be. And so let's have a look. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm gonna. Hopefully you can see it over here. Just gonna try and take it out of here. As you can see, I'm just running my hands through it. Try and remove it. Okay, I'm not gonna take it all out. I'm just gonna take a part of it, as much as I can take out. All right, so that's what you get. Okay, so that's what it is. So there you have it. If you found this video useful, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, 8181 How To. Until next time, you take care and hope to speak to you in my next video. Bye for now.